Alone speaker, so you're not gonna carry around this. You can, of course, you have a hook here. Alright guys, this is the conclusion. So on my 180 videos, on my all the different unboxing, all the videos I did, I always say stay away from the advertising, you know, all that, you know, who wants to sell the product. As you can see, JBL is one of the most selling, the best selling products. I love JBL products, but on this test, as you can see, didn't perform very well against other brands, right? So I like to have the holds, all that stuff, the JBL. If you want to carry around all the time some kind of speaker, JBL very way to go. So you can pair 7 hours battery life, you can use app, all that stuff, right? Surprisingly, Altec Lansing, for the price, the cheapest, it's only 20 bucks, these guys, right? For the activities, if you want to mount or for your bicycle, the motorcycle, I have a kids, like if they're riding like small mountain biking, the motorcycles, right? The gas motorcycle is the way to go. It comes with the bracket, you're gonna blast the music, the bassy ones, the most boxy bassy ones, but it's a carry around. You can hook to your backpack. Yeah, it comes with the magnet, all that stuff, and you can pair with the different speakers. If you have 2 speakers, you can play like the stereos, all that stuff. All of them do that kind of stuff. So sound performance wise, Sony way to go. A little louder than JBL, and by much quality the sound. It's a lot nicer bass and doesn't get distortion. JBL gets a little bit distortion. I don't know how the JBLs made that get distortion, but the Sony, it's one of the best sounding speaker in the bunch. But these guys are a lot louder than anything else. This is the art piece. When you give this somebody for like a gift, it's gonna last long. It's all the built aluminum, cast aluminum, right? And it's, you see, this is an art piece. When you touch this, every time the guy, if you make the gift, right, if you have birthday gift, all that stuff, I gift a lot of speakers for my friends, and every time they touching, they remember you, like you're not the slack, like you giving them. Art piece comes with a nice case, all that stuff. This is quality performance, like a loudness wise, the smallest, heaviest, the second heaviest than anything else, but it's art piece. I don't know how you guys, comment below, let me know where you're gonna use these guys, right? Another guy is here in the block, the vinyl version from Gravastar. I have a bunch of speakers also. These guys like developing like not anything else. All these speakers, just the Bluetooth speakers, but these things is a piece. This is a stand-alone speaker, so you're not gonna carry around this. You can, of course, you have a hook here, like metal. Everything is built like a steel, aluminum, all that stuff. Heavy bassing, like when you see the bass, I put the slow motion here, and these things moves all the time. It breathes. This is a live speaker. It's a LEDs on the front. It breathes, all that stuff, right? So if you want the quality item, definitely go with these two. If you want the nice music, Sony way to go. Forget about all the advertising, anything like crap, right? It's apps comes, and the microphone is very good. Like on the distance you can speak. If somebody calls, so the microphone picks up very good all your voice, right? Sony is balanced. Most speakers, the cheapest, most bassy speaker. I think it's almost the same bass with this guy, but it's of course like price wise, you can see it. I put the links on the description. Hope this video helps you guys. Comment below what speakers you want to test on the next future, and I'm collecting all kinds of speakers, and from now I'm gonna open every single speaker inside. I'm gonna cut open or the break open, and you're gonna see a lot of videos. So I'm gonna go inside and take a look what kind of batteries they use, what kind of speaker drivers they use, all that's a very interesting video it's gonna be. I'm gonna open these guys also, the break, cut. I don't want to cut these guys, but I'm gonna do it. So subscribe to my channel. I'm out. Also in the next video, guys.